Welcome to Portland, Oregon, the city named in a coin toss. Yep, you heard that right. Abiding by its slogan of Keep Portland Weird, the city is known for its uniqueness. With laws such as being prohibited to pump your own gas, and establishments such as Voodoo Donuts, the city holds up to its end of the bargain. The peculiarity of the city draws plenty of interesting and eclectic people who, just like you and I, are looking for some good news amidst the culture of today. Meet Patrick and Ryan, pastoring churches in two very different areas of Portland, but both sharing the good news that is the gospel.
Hey, my name is Patrick Grant. I am the pastor of Woodstock Community Church. We've been in Portland, Oregon for about 7 years, just over 7 years, and we moved here out of a desire to live in an underserved area, place that needed new churches specifically. We wanted to plant our lives and our family and our church here in Southeast Portland. So I'm married to Jennifer. We have 6 kids, and we planted our church beginning in our basement. We now have just recently, 6 years later, merged with another church, and our congregation is growing. And one of the ways that we make every day count is by meeting tangible needs for people. And one of those needs that I think about that comes to mind is Laundry Love, where we serve laundry to the needy twice a month at our local laundromat. This ministry has been really fruitful for making connections in the neighborhood, inviting people to church, and sharing Jesus Christ with the lost. And we've seen lots of fruit just from that one. One other way that I would note is our local schools have our neighborhood specifically has a great need for school supplies, backpacks, and so we have been able to, over the last couple of years, really connect with the schools by providing school students, teachers, and staff by providing pens, notebooks, paper, and just school supplies, just in the everyday needs that people have. And so we love our city. We love Portland, and we're grateful to be here.
Hey, my name is Ryan Sidhom, and I'm a church planter and pastor in Vancouver, Washington, which is just north of the Columbia River, across the river from Portland, Oregon. And so we landed here May 1st, 2017, and we dug roots into the community for 2 years before we launched River City Church on Easter Sunday, 2019. One of the things that we're doing to make every day count is that we're like Acts 17, Paul, we're always trying to get into the public square, whether that's us going out to the public square, to coffee shops or restaurants and being able to engage with people there, or by the grace of God, He has allowed our church building to be an extension of the public square. Some of these service projects that we do, so there's people from all over the city coming here. And one of the things that we're trying to do to make every day count is 1 Peter 3:15, to always be ready to share about the hope that is within you when people ask. And one of the things that we do within our ministry, we don't just kind of sit back and wait for people to ask, but one of the things we like to say is earn the ask, earn it. And so when we volunteer well, we serve well, we make people ask the question, why are you so generous? Why are your volunteers just willing to give so much time? And when we get asked that question, one of the things we do to make every day count is we never say, oh, it's just because we're really good people. But we get to share about the hope that is within us, the hope of Jesus to a hurting community that is in desperate need of some good news, that somebody loves them enough that they would die to pay for their sins. So that's something that we're doing to make every day count.
Patrick and Ryan are making every day count. What about you?